Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this wood cookie candle holder. So, in your bag, you're going to get a wood cookie, a cupcake holder, 2 types of cones, and a candle. So what you're going to do first is you're going to basically separate the different cones that you have, and they're going to be pretty obvious. And you should have 8 of each. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and alternate between the 2. And then you're just going to go all along the edge and glue down the different cones. The first one's going to be the hardest because it has nothing to support on. But then once you're set to go, you can go ahead and start putting down the other cones. Okay, as everything dries, I would go ahead and reinforce whatever cones might need it with a little extra glue. I find that these cones, they're a little bit more rounded at the bottom, and so you have to add a little bit more glue, and sometimes they might still have a little bit of the stem, so you can go ahead and cut that stem off if it's in the way, but it might help create a little bit of a base when you're putting on these cones in particular. And so I would add a little bit more glue to the bottom just to give a good base. These ones, however, have a flat bottom, so they're actually generally pretty easy to go ahead and glue down. So once everything is nicely glued down, you're going to take your cupcake holder and you're going to turn it inside out so the gold is inside rather than being on the outside. And you're just going to place it right inside the wood cookies holder, and then place your candle inside, and you are all set, and you have your very own wood cookie candle holder.